Hello everyone. Today we are going to I'm going to show you how to install press I to insert mode. That's all. We don't have to change. Permit root loading.
Ich sing ein kleines Lied.
Find this one.
Eine kleine Melodie, hast du sie mal gehört? Dann vergisst du sie nie. Ich sing ein kleines Lied. Und das ist wunderbar und alle singen mit. Wir singen la la la, nur la 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 la.
Yes,
Ein
and
kleines Lied, nur la 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 la.
password authentication. Yeah, maybe no. Yes, yes, no.
Dann wird's bestimmt ein Hit, nur la 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 la.
And now press ESC. That's all. And pass WD root. Enter your favorite password and service is HD. Restart. And your password is enable now. Enable now. Now we install Putty.
Sing ein kleines Lied, weil ich so fröhlich bin, egal was
It's
abgeht.
easy.
Sonst hab ich nichts im Sinn, nur viel. Es fehlt mir der Mut, dann singe ich mein Lied. Mir geht's wieder gut, ich sing ein kleines Lied.
Now we find Putty there, and okay, and enter your IP address. IP address can be checked on the panel. Root your password and press enter. Now you have already logged in. Next, we should download our file SSH, just like this. This can help you to install Multicraft quickly. Notepad. Now this one, you may feel surprised. What the fuck? They saw Chinese. Don't worry, just copy the important. And now we wait until it is installed. And we see we should also install MySQL 7, HTTPD, and some things that we have to install now. Also, this Linux should be turned off. It's just so easy, right? But I made this. That's right. First, we install all these fucking things. Okay, now the installation of all the necessary packages is done. We install the second one, this one, and now what we should do is waiting until it is finished. And next we get the package. This package is already out of date, so we visit the Multicraft official site or our 中文网 there. Download Multicraft. The official site is Get Multicraft. Now we download Multicraft. We can check it to get the source. This is the source. Okay, now we get this one. Oh, it's so fast. Got it. Now it's down. Service HTTPD start. Service MySQL start, and we set our MySQL password just like this. MySQL admin. Don't use this, please. MySQL admin. You root password. Enter your password there. For example, my password is mail of MC bar, and now we must school you root P, enter your favorite password, and now create database Multicraft payment, create database Multicraft panel, and now we exit service IP tables yes, that's right. And to turn the select next off, just using the force 0 and press enter. Now we cd Multicraft plus X no install setup.sh. Now we run the setup. This will help you get Multicraft up and running. No changes are made to system until all of the required information has been collected. The default since if you want to use the default, just click enter. If you don't want to use the default, you want to use your own or according to your favorite or according to your personality, you can press the second one of it. And if you don't know what you can choose, you just follow me. First we press enter, and then enter again, enter again. Yes. A license key, you can buy it. The price I have to tell you that the payment there is not managed by me. If you click euro payments or dollar payments, you click buy, and you will be transferred to multicraft.org, because I am not a reseller. And then if you are just trying to play yourself or play with some friends, just click enter. If you have a key, you can enter a key there, and the key will be generated after this installation. If you don't want to add Flash Multicraft after your address, you just use this one. Yes. Enter the new password. Normally we don't enter this one. It's cool. Don't press enter. Enter your favorite password. That's right. And we go back to see your IP. And don't use this one. Now we use my school engine name. You can use sorry, this one. And locking. Continue. Use this one. Your favorite password. Continue. save, and with the fucking one. Now we start the daemon. Now we refresh, and yo, fuck, nothing happens because we didn't change the Multicraft account. We should cd to this one and plus X VI it. There you go. That's good. And press I to insert mode. Fuck, change and read only file. What the fuck? Alright, the Flash FXP is required now because I'm not good at it. Use a proxy one. Yes, this one. Download. One change my. Extract files here. Internet. Copy the IP address. Your password. And to home Minecraft Multicraft account, and this one open with Notepad. Now we see the password is not correct. Should use this one and save and transfer it again. Replace the file and back to the installation now and press in that. Restart, refresh, and it's down. You continue to Multicraft. And now your server can be created. Now you can create your server or do something big. Just enter your name, just like test server. Play shots. If you are running a free version, the max to play slots is 10 players. Let's enter 10. Assign to user and the main IP address. If you want to open to all the users, just type 0.0.0.0 and the port, the default port is 19132. The memory as you like in MB. File the fuck, and we create file. We let's use this one. Start. Because according to the era, we have to change our Java version to a higher version. Change our Java version to a higher version. First, we remove this one. Remove first. What the fuck? Yes. We remove now. with 1.8.0. And it's down. It's down. It's down. It's down. And start again. You need to agree. Accept. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Let's have a motion. Preparing spawn area. Oh, that's bad. Use this one. And now we open Minecraft. Have a test. You should first start Minecraft. Restart the server now. Start Minecraft. Copy your IP address. Add server. Just like this, a Minecraft server. We enter now. A little bit stuck. Now we see fucking horse. What the fuck? Look. Look. Look, it's good. The fucking horse. That's so nice. Nice. Very good. Nice. That's all. Thank